In this session, we're going to talk about a new extension that we created for Zoho Voice, and that will be Zoho Voice SMS. For the people that don't know what is Zoho Voice, it's a phone system that Zoho created a few years ago. And in the last 6 months or so, it became a very, very nice phone system that we started to recommend our clients. The only thing that was missing from my side was a way for you to send and receive text messages with or without automation from the CRM. As an example, if you can see my screen, if I will have here the record, I want to communicate, send and receive text messages with this customer or with this lead, but because I don't have a way natively to do it with the Zoho Voice, it's losing a little bit from the charm of Zoho Voice. So in order for us to be able to sell Zoho Voice, we had to create an extension, and the extension is basically a widget that sits on your Zoho CRM leads, contacts, and deals modules. On the right side, you will have the phone number and the mobile number of the customer, which you can select which one you want to use. On the left side, you can see the different phone numbers that are available in your system. You will have a message that you can send. You can have here a message that you can upload a file with up to 1.5 megabytes, which is a Zoho Voice limitation. On the left side, you will have here a template that you can utilize. Whenever you are clicking on add a message or add a template, you can use the number sign, which will be exactly like in Zoho email templates. So you can have, let's say, a first name, and you can continue creating the template, and you can also attach the attachments with 1.5 megabytes, and then you click on add. The moment that you do that, you will be able to utilize those templates. So let's see how it works. So I will click here on add. Okay, let's see, the template name will be test. And now whenever I will click on test, okay, it will load this variable, a Lior, and then the rest of the message that I created. In addition, you will have here on the bottom, you will have the send later, that you can send the text message in a later time or just send it now. Okay? Now, whenever you're sending the message, it will be sent to the customer. They will receive it to their mobile device, which I just received it. And let me just respond. And whenever you're responding, the response will come back. You can see that I already got a notification from Click Assistant that a new message was received, and this is my test number. Also here, you will see that after about 30 seconds, this is going to be refreshed automatically, and my message will be here. In addition, whenever you will have here the bell icon, it will also show you the response. The integration that we created with Zoho Click is super efficient because all the text messages coming to Zoho Voice and your CRM, and I think it's very useful that you can see it on your mobile device and on the computer as part of your communication. So Zoho Click is fantastic. In addition, you can send text messages. You can also send workflow-based automations without using APIs or workflows, and we will help you as part of our service. What I want to mention, and it's super important, if you are willing to try our extension, I really, really recommend you to use us to install it for you. It costs nothing, and I promise you that you will be super happy with the results. The main reason behind it is that Zoho Voice carries some limitations that we as developers cannot fix. And while we are going to install the extension for you, we are also going to bypass those limitations using code that we created. If you are going to install it yourself, there is a very good chance that you won't be able to fix those issues and you won't be happy with the extension. So please use us, it's free of charge. The last thing that I want to tell you If you bought Zoho Voice from us or buying Zoho Voice from us, you will get the extension 3 months free of charge. And obviously installation is always included. I really recommend you checking it. It's giving Zoho Voice another dimension that was missing before. And now Zoho Voice can be used the same way that we use RingCentral, for example. It's one of the best extensions out there. And we took everything that we learned from 3 years with RingCentral and we just put it in Zoho Voice, which is right now the best SMS solution that you have out there. Right now, the extension is private, which means you will not find it in the public marketplace. If you want to try the extension, contact us using the contact us link on the description below. And we are going to install it for you, as I said before. In the next few weeks, we are going to post it as a public extension, but right now we have it only for clients and our YouTube subscribers. Thank you very much for watching this session. We'll see you in the next video.